So what's going on, guys? Figured I'd show you guys this. We actually got the old engine pulled off, and it ended up being the compression release valve here actually dropped, and so we had to end up replacing the head. And then while we had it apart, we just put all new gaskets on everything, put a new radiator on it, and it seems like it runs way better now. So I'll start it up again for you guys and let you see the difference after this thing's been rebuilt. And it was pretty interesting, having my dad and my uncles out there helping me do this. They're in their upper 70s and 80s, and they got right with it. So we'll see how it goes.